Hi everyone. Say it's been a while since I did a YouTube video. Sorry about that, but I have been so busy around here and I wanted to take a break from YouTube for a while. But I wanted to share this little project that I got going here. Here in the Pacific Northwest, the power's going out on us a lot. It could be ice storm. You just never know when the power is going to go out. So we bought a generator a few years back, and I had to drag it in and out of the pump house all the time, start it up, run it outside, and I decided that I'm going to build me a box inside the pump house. Now, a lot of people use those plastic storage sheds, the little snap together ones, and those guys do a really nice job on them, put fans in them and everything. And I just had a hard time justifying $450 for one of those. I mean, I would have had to put down pavers and everything else to do it. And I got room here in the pump house to do it. So I decided to build my generator box inside the pump house. Okay guys, to begin with, I'm not even close to being done with this project, but I wanted to show it to you so I can show you the material that I'm using. This is Hardy board, backer board, wonder board. I mean, there's a lot of names for it. It's a 1/2 inch concrete composite. It's very dense. It's one of the reasons I'm using it. Plus, it's very high fire rated. If anybody's ever thrown a piece of this in a fire, you know it just does not burn. It's going to be a fan. Goes right here. It's on its way. I'm thinking that I may end up putting another fan in the center on the top, like an inline fan, like a 6-inch or an 8-inch inline fan, and then pump it straight up out of the roof. So that's my thoughts. I've been doing a lot of testing, and we'll see where that goes. Oh, plus when it's all said and done, that's why I'm making this video now, is because it's going to be 1.5 inch foam on top of that panel, and on that panel, and on that panel. Now I use these little buckles. You can get them at Lowe's. I got like 2 of them for $5.50 at Lowe's. They work just fine. They're a little tricky putting on, but that's what holds this whole thing together, is these little buckles. So let me open it up. To open it, basically undo the buckles, just like so. It is on hinges. Lift it up, and there's a hook to hook that to. Simple. There's the generator. It's a Furman 6700. Now this thing runs my pump, which is 350 feet in the ground. It runs my house. I mean, it does the whole property, really. I got the fan in so far. That's a 1560 RPM fan. The exhaust pipe, I got that through. Now the extension in the pipe, it actually came from Zombie Box, and I paid $29 for the adapter and the pipe through eBay. Amazon wanted $39, so that came from eBay, and actually the fan came from eBay too. Now I wanted to make it easy to do maintenance on the generator, so in order to get to the generator, I'm basically doing the buckles again, the hook in here, and this side comes off. Same with this side, couple buckles, and it comes apart. I tried to design it where it was easy to maintain the generator, because that means you want to pull it out and change the oil in it. Just do regular maintenance on the generator. Now this is the back side of the pump house. That's where the exhaust comes through. I made this. I got an idea from a guy on YouTube. This is a 2-inch floor plate. And I think I kind of got ripped off because I paid $22 for that thing at Home Depot. Seemed like it was a little expendy. The fan. Now I got it on eBay for $52. Amazon wanted $86 to $100 for it. And this little plate here, that's actually where my cord goes through and hooks up to the generator. Now if it gets way hot in there, I'm also thinking about putting a fan up there, but we'll see what happens. So this is where the cord from the generator plugs into. It plugs in right there. It goes directly into my meter box. I simply shut the main power off so that I'm not feeding into the grid, and turn the generator switch on, and it lights up everything. So I just thought I'd share this with you guys. You know, if there's any interest in it, I'll do another video of when it's done, and fire up the generator, do some heat tests, see how hot it gets in here, how hot it gets in there. So there you go. That's the project I'm working on right now. Hey everybody, thanks for watching.